Want to increase your LeadPages conversion rates? You're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, we'll dive into actionable tips that you can apply right now to boost the effectiveness of your LeadPages campaigns. Whether you're new to LeadPages or looking to refine your strategies, there are a few simple tweaks you can make to see better results. Stick around because we'll also talk about some tools that might work even better for your goals, and I'll share a special offer just for you at the end. First things first, you need to have a clear, compelling call to action on your page. It might sound obvious, but many people overlook the power of a simple, well-placed CTA. Make sure it stands out. Use contrasting colors, large text, and a clear promise of value. A compelling CTA gives visitors no excuse to leave your page without clicking. If your CTA isn't clear, they won't act. Next thing, optimize your page speed. LeadPages has some great templates, but all the design and creativity in the world won't matter if your page loads too slowly. Google and other search engines prioritize speed, and so do users. A slow-loading page can be a major barrier to conversion. Compress images and scripts to make sure your landing page loads quickly. Every second counts. The third thing, focus on your headline. It's the first thing visitors see, so you need to grab their attention immediately. Your headline should tell them exactly what they'll get when they submit their information, and it needs to create a sense of urgency. Avoid generic titles like "Sign up here" and opt for something more specific and compelling. Personalization can work wonders here too. Tailoring headlines to specific audiences can increase relevance. Next, leverage social proof. Visitors trust the opinions of others, so adding testimonials, reviews, or user-generated content can significantly improve your conversion rates. LeadPages allows you to add these elements, but make sure they're strategically placed to show off real experiences. If you've worked with influencers or received media mentions, showcase them to increase credibility. The fifth thing, ensure your form is as simple as possible. Only ask for the information you absolutely need. The fewer fields, the higher your conversion rate. People are hesitant to fill out long forms, so prioritize asking for the bare minimum and consider asking for more information after the conversion. The sixth thing, experiment with A/B testing. LeadPages offers built-in A/B testing functionality, so don't just stick to one design. Try different variations of your landing page, tweaking headlines, images, and CTAs. Track the results and optimize accordingly. Even small changes can have a big impact on conversion rates, and testing is the key to understanding what works best for your audience. Now, you might be thinking, I've tried all of these tips, but my conversion rates still aren't where I want them to be. And that's where other tools come in. If you're struggling with LeadPages limitations, you might find alternatives like ClickFunnels or Unbounce to be a better fit. These platforms offer more robust features like advanced funnel building and deeper analytics that can take your landing pages to the next level. Though LeadPages is solid, these alternatives offer powerful ways to really increase conversions. Before we wrap up, remember that I've got a special offer for you. In addition to giving you access to LeadPages free trial, I've also lined up some exclusive extended free trials to those amazing alternatives I mentioned earlier. And the best part? Through the link in the description, you'll get all the benefits, only available to our viewers. So, whether you're sticking with LeadPages or trying something new, you've got everything you need to boost your conversion rates. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your landing pages.